Hi students, this lecture for BBA second sem on corporate accounting first. I hope all of you understand the earlier lecture. It means in the last lecture we saw the format for the issue of shares at par values. Okay, so there are six entries are there for each factors. It means what's for the application money, for the allotment, or for the call money. For each factors there are two entries we have to pass. Okay, and which are those two entries? Now you are got it. Okay, so now see on that the problem, on that we will see the problem. Okay, so problems on issue of shares at par. Okay, so now see the Bangalore Corporation Limited issued 3000 equity shares of rupees 20 each. The amount was payable as follows: A rupees 2 on application, B rupees 5 on allotment, C rupees 8 on first call, and D rupees 5 on final call. So all the shares were subscribed and money duly received. Pass journal entries in the books of company. Okay, so it means what? So this is the Bangalore Corporation Limited company is there, and so this company is going to issue how many shares? 3000 shares, and the each share price is rupees 20. Okay, so each share price is rupees 20. So now see these 20 rupees how they are going to collect. Okay, so these 20 rupees how they are going to collect. So see, for the first, for from the application they are going to receive rupees 2, and for allotment time they are receiving rupees 5, and they will call first for rupees 8, and they will call for the second final call rupees for the rupees 5. Okay, so like this they will receive rupees 20. Okay, so 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, it will be the 20 rupees. Okay, so now see, you know which are those transactions are there, or which are how the pass the journal entries related to the applications. Okay, there are two entries are theirs. Okay, for the applications. Okay, so in the last lecture we saw that. Okay, so now like this you have to draw the format and write the heading: journal entries in the books of Bangalore Corporation Limited. Okay, so the date column you have to draw particular column, LF column, debit amount column, and the credit amount column. Like this we have to draw. Okay, so now pass the journal entries for related to this rupees 2 on application. Rupees 2 on application means what? How many shares are there? 3000 shares are there. Okay, so 3000 into 2 rupees 6000. Okay, so now pass the journal entries: bank account debit rupees 6000, to equity share application account credit rupees 6000. Okay, so now write the narration: being application money received on 3000 shares at rupees 2 per share. Okay, so it means what? 3000 shares are there, and the each shares they are receiving rupees 2. Okay, so this 3000 into 2, it's rupees 6000. Okay, so next one more entry you have to pass related to this application. So now how to pass: equity share application account debit rupees 6000, to equity share capital account credit rupees 6000. Okay, so now write the narration: being application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, so this money is transferred to the share capital account. Okay, so these two entries are over related to the applications. Okay, so you have to add this entries, whatever the six entries we discussed in the last lecture. No, these entries we have to by heart. Okay, it will be the easy for you. Okay, so now see related the B, what is related to the rupees 5 on allotment. Okay, for the allotment, now see the 3, equity share allotment account debit rupees 15000, to equity share capital account credit rupees 15000. Okay, so being allotment money due on 3000 shares at rupees 5 per shares. It means while the allotment they are receiving rupees 5, okay. So 5 into 3000, it will be the 15,000, okay. 5 3s are 15,000, okay. So 5 3s are 15, it means what is the 15,000, 3,000 is there. So next fourth one is what's related to the allotment only. So what's bank account debit rupees 15,000 to equity share allotment account credit rupees 15,000, okay. So being allotment money received, what's being allotment money received, okay. So like this you have to pass the journal entries. Next related to the C, what's the C is there. So C rupees 8 on first call, okay, rupees 8 on first call, and D rupees 5 on final call, okay. So both the, for this C and for the D, the entries will the same, you have to pass, okay, but separate you have to pass, but the entries should be, will be the same, okay. So now 8 into 3000, 24,000 it will come, okay, and rupees 5 into 3 it will be the 15,000, okay. So like this you have to pass. Now see if, for number 5 for the C purpose, equity share first call account debit rupees 24,000 to equity share capital account credit rupees 24,000, okay. So what will be the narration, being first call money due on 3000 shares at rupees 8 per shares. It means what's 38 into 3000, it will be the 24,000, okay. So this 6 entries are also related to the first call, okay. So bank account debit rupees 24,000 to equity share first call account credit rupees 24,000, okay. So it means what's the being first call money received, okay. So this is the first call money received, okay. So next last one for the D purpose, 7 entry number 7, equity share final call account debit rupees 15,000 to equity share capital account credit rupees 15,000, okay. So what will be the narration, being final call money due 3000 shares at rupees 5 per shares, okay. So 3000 shares are theirs, and the each shares for rupees 5 they are receiving, rupees 5 they are receiving. So it means what's 3000 into 5, it will be the 15,000. So now they are going to receive this 15,000. For this receiving purpose, what will be the journal entries? It journal entry 8, bank account debit rupees 15,000 to equity share final call account credit rupees 15,000, okay. So being final call money received, okay. So like this you have to pass the journal entries, okay. So it's very easy, but you should know for the application purpose which are those, which entry we have to pass, for the allotment purpose which entries we have to pass, for the call, that may be the first call, or that may be the final call, or that may be the second call. For the purpose how to pass the journal entries, you should know this, okay. In the last lecture we discussed just see that, okay. I hope you will be the understand this, and please all of you note down in your notebook this problem, okay. So I hope you will be the understand. If you have any query with this problem, then you can text me or call me, I will help, okay. So thank you.